everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am setting up my planner for next year, so my 2024 planner. And I just have some like customization type things that I need to do to this, so that's what I'm going to do in this video. I have a few setup videos coming up, and I know those are very fun to watch. A lot of people like watch. I love watching setup videos. So I have a few coming your way. I have my work planner I still need to set up, and then I also need to do like my January setups. Those are a whole other thing when it comes to setting up. So I'm splitting them up just so that way, like I'm just gonna set this up so that way you can see how I'm going to have this for the whole year for next year. And yeah, that's kind of it for this video. So I have a couple of things. I have this beautiful planner cover that I've used in the past from Love Posh. It'll be linked down in the description. Currently, I'm using this one, this like white croco one from Love Posh. I love these because they're very like thick, nice padded covers, and it has a nice little snap here. I never use these well, I use this pocket obviously, but I never use these, but it's nice that they're there. And yeah, I've been loving this, but this feels, I never changed this to winter. This still feels like fall, which, oh yeah, it's winter now. But yeah, I feel like I'm just gonna go into how I'm gonna have this planner for the most part when it comes to next year. So I have this really pretty like blush pink cover, and I'm gonna use this. And then I have these really nice discs. These are actually from KellofaPlan. If you purchase one of her planners, actually let me grab one nearby. Okay, so this is one of her 2024 planners. Her planners come with some metal discs. I believe though, these are, okay, yeah, she changed the size on these for this year just so that way they can hold a little bit more. So this size on the current planner is more to the size, if you're familiar with the Happy Planner disc size, they're going to be similar to that, but they're metal, and I love that. I love using metal discs, but I really like this size that she had from this was from this year's planner because it's a little smaller, and I don't put like my whole planner in here. I usually do half of the year. So I'm going to see how these hold up for half of the year. Yeah, we'll see if they are able to hold everything I need. If not, I do have like rose gold discs from the Happy Planner that I could switch to. I just thought these were cool because like they don't have like a heart in it. It's just very like neutral. So, and they're pink, they're pretty. So yeah, I'm going to use these discs here. Actually, let me snap them on right now. So we're just gonna snap these on. But yeah, they're like in between the size of like a mini, in between this size and a classic size, which are these. These are classic. So I like that there's different. We'll see how they work. Okay, so these are gonna go on here. I don't think KellofaPlan sells the disc separately. Pretty sure she doesn't. I think they come with the planners. But there's other companies that sell discs that are similar to this that don't have the like little heart in the middle, like the Happy Planner ones. If you don't like the heart, I don't mind the heart. It's just I like the size of these. That's why I want to use them. Okay, so just snapping these on. And this is like a really thick plastic, but it's still pretty easy to get on and off the discs. Okay, so that's kind of the base of my planner so far. All right, so here is the planner that I'm going to use. It is a classic vertical layout from the Happy Planner. It's a 12-month planner, so it goes from January to the end of the year, so I'll be able to just use this for all of next year. It is the Pigeon Letters Tell Your Story planner. And I got this at an event that I went to from the Happy Planner recently, a few months ago. And Peggy Dean, who designed this planner, like all the artwork are her illustrations. And I believe the lettering too. She was there at the event, and she even signed my name into the planner. So I have my name already filled out. She signed it herself too. So I'm going to use I'm gonna take out 6 months of this and put it in here, and then keep the rest in here. And then once January through June are done, then I'll transfer it over and kind of flip it. Yeah, change everything out. So I'm just gonna pull all of this stuff. So this, what I'm pulling, so you can see, I have, like I said, the name page right here. Oh, and this color looks so pretty with this cover. I have the months at a glance, 2024, 2025. And then these, which I never use. I kind of want to use them. We'll see if I can. I don't know. I never use them though. Okay, then we have the January page here, and then I'm just gonna grab the monthlies, the dividers, and then the weeklies in here. Okay, so this has my monthly page. I like a very neutral planners, so this is why I really like this planner. Minimal design on here, no color, which is my preference. They do have other planners that have more color and stuff, but I always, on my channel, you're gonna see very limited color on planner pages, because I like to add the color with my stickers. That's how I like to add color onto my pages. So yeah, here are the weeklies, very plain. And then the vertical layout, I was using the checklist layout, but I'm going back to vertical just because, yeah, it's just my favorite, just the clean vertical planner. All right, next is February. Put that one in here. And March. April. May, and then June will be the last section. Okay, so yeah, I think that's a good amount on here. It doesn't seem too full. There's still room for it to expand, because once I put stickers and decorate all these, it does, you know, get a little thicker. But I still have a couple other things. So here's the rest of my planner. July through December is just gonna stay in here, and then I just put this aside, and then that way I can switch it out when I'm ready. So all done with that one. And then once I'm completely done, like the end of the year, I'll just probably take I'll just keep it in this planner. I usually keep my planners for the year, at the end of the year, and I just collect them. This is the only planner that I do that with. My other planners, I don't. But since I heavily decorate this planner, this is like my main planner, I like to keep it to look back at. Sometimes it's nice to look back at like your old spreads and just see like maybe how the way you decorate has changed, because I've definitely seen that from like when I look at my first planner versus like my current planner. It's very, very different. All right, so I have a couple of extra bits that I want to add in here. So I have these tabbed dividers. These are from Love Posh, and it comes with like a set of 4, I believe, on the top tabbed ones. And I like the top tabs because I used to use the side tabs, but then they would get blocked by these tabs, and then I started cutting them, and I didn't like that. So I prefer the top, so that way I can actually see the categories. And in this planner, I only use the monthly and the weekly section. So this is gonna go on the monthly. So monthly, January. So that way I could find like the current month easily. And then this one, the weekly, will go here for the week that I'm on. So when I decorate this, I'm decorating this one as like a New Year's theme, which I'm excited about. Yeah. That one's gonna be pretty. Okay, and then next, I have these two. I always transfer these over for my planner. Now, these are old sheets from, they're like page protectors, or I forget what they call them, but they are very, very old from the Happy Planner. Like, I want to say I got these when I first started planning, which was a few years ago, and they no longer sell them. But there are sometimes some other companies that I think Love Posh had a version of these. I don't know if she still has them, because I remember the last time that she had them, or when she first got them, they sold out pretty quick, but she's pretty good about restocking. So I'll link, if I can find it, I'll link it. If not, I'll link. Love Posh is always linked down in the description, but I know she had a version of these. Not exact, but a version. And they fit in the classic. So I like to use these because they have like little pockets here, and I put like pictures. I actually need to update. I want to add pictures to the back over here, but it's just something that I like to add with, like, I have like pictures of my nephew and family and stuff that I just like to have. Am I gonna do it at the front? Did I do it on the front? I can't remember where I put this. Yeah, I kind of like it on the front. So this is gonna go here and here. So when I open my planner, I just see that, and it makes me happy to see that. Okay, so that's basically it when it comes to my setup. Not much else. I need to change this up too, because I've had this forever and I always say I'm going to change it up and I never do. But that's pretty much it when it comes to setting up my planner for the new year. Pretty quick, easy. Again, I only have one planner. I used to have, like in this video, in previous years, I would have like multiple planners in one video, so it would take me longer to do a setup because I was either franken planning. I used to do that too, so I would add other planners in here behind here. But now I've gone back to just having my planners as like one in their own in their own covers. So this is the other planner that I have set up, so you can see my two current planners that are for 2024. This is my budget planner. I have a video setting this up if you haven't already watched that. This is actually a happy planner cover. So far I have my budget planner and my Catchall planner, and then I still have my work planner. Those are my 3 planners that I'm currently using. So definitely look out for that. And then I have some other setup videos just to set me up for the new month that will be coming out for you to see soon. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, me setting up my planner. Yeah, I will have as many links as I can remember to put down in the description if you're interested, because I really love these covers. They're so pretty, and I feel like it really elevates your planner when you add like these covers. I mean, the covers that come on the planners are nice, but I just prefer these because they're also like, when I'm filming, I don't like the glare off of them. But that's just like kind of like my preference. But yeah, I really like the covers. So I hope you all enjoyed watching me set up my planner. And if you aren't already, please hit that subscribe button so you can check out more of my content, because I do put out content every single day. So definitely check it out, and I hope to see you in the next video.